Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. I am your host, Jomar,
I Rush.
and this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best and most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And one more thing for us, though.
Share the video to 10 people, but make sure you get to it. May I say 5 subscribers? At least 5.
Yeah, ask a whole heap right now. You haven't been giving the people much. You know what I mean?
So that's why I'm gonna drop it down to 5, bro. You get me? I said now what I ask for 6. And if each and every one of you guys can manage to get us 5 subscribers, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
Wow, But before we even get into the chat we set out for have, you don't know we have to adjust the people. I tell the straight up, I'm not coming to apology again. Me just, me not,
for the 4th time or the 5th time.
for, for the 100th time. Me not,
Yeah.
you see me? But what they are, you don't know we have to hold some reason. We love to talk about the ball game same way. So, what they have to hold some reason. Today we're going to talk about, reggae boys. They're keeping up with the reggae boys. We have Omar Hutchinson to talk about. We have Mason Green.
Chat about no more Hutchinson still in a row.
No, see, that's why we have to talk about it.
No, me want to talk about no. So here we go on. You got to talk about him and me just looks up in the sky and nothing. No. Oh,
the pent up anger.
You see the talking about him.
You see the pent up anger inside, bro. Sometimes you have to let it out, bro. You get me? I say so. We have to use this as a medium for let it out.
Yeah, but we don't want them demonetize me something, bro.
You're not demonetize.
Because I mean, he's angry with the rush.
Me chop it up.
He's angry with that. So it kind of. So here when you want to talk about Omar Hutchinson, I want to let them go here. So yeah, I make you go and chat. Yeah. Continue the intro, bro. Continue the intro.
Anyways, yeah. So we have the squad for talk about. We have Omar Hutchinson for talk about. We have one of the Mason them for talk about. Obviously, we've been speaking about 2 Masons. But we have Mason Holgate for talk about. You get me? I say Liam Bailey is not in the squad. We have discussed that a little bit. Nicholas is not in the squad. We have discussed that a little bit. Maggie get a cut. Bro, whole heap go on the Jamaican space.
Simagia Airport. Simagia Airport weekend now.
Say what?
Simagia Airport weekend.
Say what?
I saw Tariq McGee at the airport on the weekend. Hey, oh, you know, dog. No, cause watch out, bro. I don't really like some of there. I talk highly of Tariq McGee still. You get me? I say. So never really want to go.
People
want to run up.
People really talk highly. Go on.
I never want to run up on the man and say move from yourself. You know, rate the ball. You know them way there?
Yeah, dog. I can't really take styling well, isn't it?
No. Especially with certain company we may keep sometime, you know? When you're part with certain company, all darker than normal company, you know them way there?
That a facts. See him, so I see Andre Lake in the airport, man. I say, I go up, if we cross parts, I give him on a skipper. I give him on a skipper. But I go walk up to your car, walk up to a grown man, and you're looking at my face and give him on a them.
No.
I forgot to pump in your jaw.
Yeah, we can't manage that, bro. You're sorry. So that's why I see ball in a manly same way. Just look at him look. Oh yeah, I make 4 same way, you know.
Yeah, you can always make 4.
The ball always make 4. No, you get me, I say?
Of course.
But then I just keep my head and go and pick up my bag then. But big up Tariq McGee still. We're going to talk about it.
We are talking about him, but what I say, bro, whole heap go on Jamaican football space, as I say. We all Mr. Beef, you know.
Which one of them?
Never know, so Mr.
Who?
Go and render beef one time in the dark.
No, but we never talk about it, but we never miss it. So we never depend going live. Yeah, we depend live. What? No, we never depend it, but we watch it. Where like you thought Ryan used content.
Yeah,
allegedly. Yeah, man, bro. So I never dare see what going on. You know, so as me say, it's not a pick side thing. So I just go and look out at me and listen the same way. But I did see what going on, man. I did bangarang, bro.
The big banger. Well, anyways, enough of that. Let's talk about
it. To do with me. Ryan, LFC, and Military Guna are 2 people where I do it for long and them give you a strength. I will love the 2 of them man the same way.
Straight up.
But do the right thing still, bro. as a YouTuber, if you do the right thing still, you know. We're not saying nothing more still.
You not just say it now have nothing to do with you. You not just say it now nothing to do with you. Die. You ever stop me corrupting, brother. Anyways. Let's get into the show, bro. Let's get into the show.
No, but wait, do the right thing. Do the right thing, but at the same breath, don't be corrupt neither. You get me? I say so. We're not picking a side. I split the justice down in Mickle. You get me? I say I continue. I will see me make you comfortable.
Hey, anything you say that me I work with. But anyways, today I wonder if let's start with the squad. Make us start with the squad now.
Alright, we could do that now.
Make us start with the squad.
Yeah.
So I throw it up on the screen and then
pause.
Discuss it a little bit. So obviously we know that the Reggae Boys play Nicaragua on the 10th, which is tomorrow or today, depending on when you're watching this. Or we played them already, but you still want to watch the content because you don't know you like watch it too, Jubilee. Not Jubilee. You like watch it too, general them same way.
Hey, bro,
a big man, on the 10th.
A big man thinks to the point, bro. Pick the thing.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So we have Nicaragua on the 10th and we have Honduras on the 14th in National Stadium. By the way, people, make sure we soon in a National Stadium. We will be there. We'll be talking to you guys. And we'll bring some content too now from the match game. We don't like them there. So look out for it. Anyways, so the squad that will be facing Nicaragua and Honduras, I'm going to read through it real quick and then we'll discuss it. So we have Andre Blake, Shaquan Davis, Jamali Wait as the goalkeepers. We have Dexter Lembikisa. Dishon Bernard, he's in the squad, or was in the squad, but we're getting some information now. I don't think it has been published yet, but we're getting some information.
With Kevin Lambert.
Right, so Dishon Bernard will be replaced by Kevin Lambert. We have Greg Lee, Damian Lode, John Bell, Richard King, Tavon Gray, Ethan Pinnock, Mason Holgate.
Yeah.
Right, we have Casey Palmer in the midfield alongside Cara Anderson, Bobby Reed, Joel Latibodir, Tyreek McGee. And the forward line, we have Ronaldo Cephas, Norman Campbell, Mikel Antonio, Demari Gray, Kaim Dixon, and Romario Williams. First of all, first impressions of the squad.
Pretty consistent. I think everybody that's available get calls, so that's a good thing. Like weird omissions. Obviously, we're here expecting to see some new names. I've got a Mason, but not necessarily the Mason that I was anticipating. But we take the Mason regardless. But everybody who's available this year, I think this is the best possible squad. So, not too disappointed.
I'm not here well here.
Yeah, you hear me better now, bro?
Perfect.
Yeah, so man, so obviously you wish that you could have gotten a full complement of players, but this is the best possible squad you could have fielded, and as such, but not the strongest possible squad that we have ever fielded, but the best possible squad considering the circumstances I think we could have fielded.
Yeah, and I agree with you. I think this is a decent squad. I'm not angry at it. See some players in there that they could go anyways, and I like we crazy over the USL players anyways and the JPL players, but hey, man, I get them chance, man, I do well at them competition and them get them call up. Hopefully them can come do a job for. I don't like them money I get none of the starting spots or whatever. So
yeah.
All in all, I think it's a decent squad and the squad is good enough to get the job done. Obviously, based on what we see in the September window, and that squad that the coach called, bro, and how well the team played, all right, it might not be the best ever, but definitely one of the best windows in terms of performance that I've seen the Reggae Boys played in a while. So, considering that, I think the coach can get a tune out of the squad that him called, and I look forward to that. Obviously, more will break it down, but you have something else you want to say about the squad?
Yeah, not for cut him, but just tell a lie. There was some controversy regarding the squad selection. When we say the best possible squad, bro, there was some weirdness with Shamar Nicholson, which was odd to me.
Shamar Nicholson turned on the call down.
Exactly, yeah, which is why I correct myself. I just told a lie. This is not the best possible squad based on all available players. There are a few players who were available that opted not to come and play for the country. So I'm gonna tell a lie. But besides the weird omissions because of whatever reason it might be, these are the best possible squad we could have fielded, considering the circumstances. So I'm just rectify my statement.
For sure. Well, let's keep over it. And talk about the inclusion and the areas.
Yeah.
So, Andre Blake, Shaquan Davis, Jamali Wait. Obviously, no Kanye Boys Club, and when I show what with that situation there. We don't know Andre Blake will play the two.
I think Boys Clark, I get called up to the first team more frequently, and I don't necessarily think them feel this at the time for remove him from that particular situation. They want him be with the squad, be with the first team, play championship football maybe, because he's the second string at this point. But they must say just because he's in and around the first team, they want to make him go and stay with the first team until, I guess, it really matters. So hopefully World Cup qualifiers, we might see Boys Clark, so on and so forth. But I think they might allow him to just play first team football, be a part of a first team squad,
Yeah, I don't mind that. I don't mind that. In fact, I like it. You get me? I say, if you're not going to make an active contribution to the team, obviously we want kind of Boys Clark in our team because we think in the future he will be contributing to the Reggae Boys.
Yeah.
So we want him to be around, but his career need for go in a certain direction.
Yeah.
To have him around in the next 5-10 years. So it's not even about the right now with him. It's just exploiting the talent that's there and developing the talent that's there, because you have a little bit of work to do, and you will know the goalkeeping position lasts long. So who knows? Maybe him be able actively contribute, but we think him have the quality to at some point either displace or take over from Andre Blake. So
yeah, for sure. I think he's the heir apparent. So I think that's what they're working on right now.
All right, love that. Obviously Jamali wait, sure and steadfast every time we see him at the goal. Don't make a lot of mistakes. Obviously we're not gonna say he's a perfect goalkeeper, but competent backup for me. I'm sure we know how to play, but also one of the best goalkeepers in the country. So it is what it is. You know that the goalkeepers, Andre Blake will play the 2 games. Them Andre Blake will make some good saves. Andre Blake will do well. We know where I get from our skipper. I will love it. So that's that with the goalkeepers. In terms of the defenders, we are talking about Dexter, Lembi, Kisa. I'm not going to include Deshaun Bernard right now, but we have Greg Lee, Damian Lowe, John Bell, Richard King.
Amari Bell won't play either.
Amari Bell won't. Let me see Amari Bell in the pictures.
Oh, so he's here. Apparently, when I was listening to McLaren, him there say Amari Bell injured, and as such, him get consolidation for the left back spot, which was why he included John Bell.
I see what boy in a picture, man. Maybe I'm wrong still, but I know I'm not wrong. I see Amari Bell, but maybe he pick up the injury while he was here.
No. This was during the press conference last Friday. That's why that was what justified his inclusion of John Bell. But my question still. But that's why I'm bring John Bell for understudy the position. Might be mistaken.
All right. Yeah, so we are talking about Tavon Gray, Ethan Pinnock, and Mason Holgate for the rest of that. Obviously, we have the newcomer Mason Holgate. Hopefully, him get a debut. What we expect from this defensive line? Who we expect for play? Obviously, we have. Let's say we have. So we have 2 players missing. Never that expect Deshaun Bernard to play. Maybe. You get me?
Amari Bell would be our starting left back. But Greg Lee will start. Based on my understanding from McLaren's press conference, it seemed to me as because Amari Bell is not 100% there. And at the right back position, Lembi Kisa will play and Tavon Gray will cover Lembi Kisa. Based on what I must say. Bro, even just watching the press conference, where it was just a breath of fresh air, just listening to this man break down the intricacies of his squad, why him select the players who him select, and his thought process. That was just fun. That was just so fun to just hear him go on and on about why I'm include this person, why I'm never include this person, and the intricacies of his squad selection. Obviously, I'm going to make a video about it. It seemed as though there were a lot of suggestions from one Miran Gordon, and I'm not necessarily sure how I feel about that. Obviously, we'll talk about it when we get high up the field, but there were a few players that were suggestions. And you think him emphasized that there are suggestions of Miran, so just in case them flop him can point the finger upon Miran? You think that's why? You think that's why him do it?
No, I think him just don't know the Jamaican people yet.
Yeah, can I say?
He might be honest, and him not realize it can come back for bite him not the ass. They get me and say him just understand the Jamaican people have a look on him like, are you a picket squad or not, brother?
But maybe he might do it for say, if this a ball here flop and that a ball here flop, Miran do it. You think say that he might do? You think say he might set up Miran Garden for take the slack?
It could be.
And then if it work out, what a great magnanimous head coach. Him open to suggestions, and he's such a great man. You get me? I say a great ruler who empowers his subordinates and so on and so forth. Mr. Ruler, I meant leader. Who empowers his subordinates and so on and so forth. Great decision to take his advice. But if the advice don't work, Miran do it. I know me. That's not my guy. I one day for that at the setup.
It's a perspective, but at the same time, we have to understand that the coach knew.
Yeah.
From what I understand is that him not fully set up in Jamaica yet. I don't even know if he's going to be fully set up in Jamaica. From what I hear, they get me and say, which is a conversation to have again. We know if love that. So it's not like him actively do as much as he can inside of the country and using up his office as the best way he can. Obviously, when I mean office, I mean the physical office, but we mean him title and him
right? As compared to Hal Grimson, who was in the culture, for sure.
Right. So I just think it's a case of he's not fully caught up yet. I'm not sure of him not 100% sure of the pool yet. Him not get a chance to look for every player yet. Him not get to travel as much as him want to go see the players as yet. So here what, Meran, you've been here, you know the pool. Me I go lean for you and your knowledge right now. Which me touch on it already. I think is an important point, bro. That we have one of our brightest minds in terms of local coaches a part of the national setup. No, as the assistant coach, I can't say that's the position, or the first assistant coach, I can't say that's the position. Second, maybe. They get me and say, but for be the head cornerstone for the head coach, me now 100% sure, I'm confident.
Meran Gordon's job for advise and for help us adjust and observe and you get me yourself implement strategy on behalf of the coach. Probably not.
Sure. At the end of the day, a Steve McLaren as the coach, a Steve McLaren players more want to play, a Steve McLaren system more want to play.
Yeah.
I must say, in terms of locally, bro, we talk about schoolboy football. We know Meran Gordon pedigree in terms of youth talent and all that. Meran Gordon is a really good coach at his level. Love it. You get me? I say, but me hear it, I mean, 100% love it, bro, because I don't really want to hear the next 2-3 press conferences or next 2-3 windows. The coach still talk about Meran said this player can play, or Meran show him this player, or ask which player. No, you're the head coach, you've been here for a couple months now. Know your pool, know your players, and select the players that you want. That's just how me feel about it still. I'm not kill him yet, because even with the Meran suggestions, and I like the Meran suggestions, I get a lot of playing time anyways, but at the same time, who knows how we could improve the team if you use your expertise and eye for time.
Yeah, that's why we hired you, right? That's why I spend the billions, yeah. So back to the defense. So yeah, me feel it hard and fast. We're gonna go Greg Lee, Pinnock Low, and Greg Lee, if not Amari Bell. I'm not 100% sure of the situation. But based on what I remember, Amari Bell are the first choice, and Amari Bell was the first choice in the last window. But him say because Amari Bell might not be fully up to it or won't be up to it, he might have Greg Lee probably as the first choice this window. Maybe I misheard, but that's my understanding. But all things being equal, then the keys are Pinnock, Low, and Bell. That's our back four. And I think that's kind of undisputed at this point. You know, I think Mason Holgate will definitely be knocking on the door to enter or starting 11. But I mean, Mason Holgate isn't playing at a Premier League level. You know, Damian Lowe before making his transfer was playing at a decent level, you know, getting minutes, so on and so forth. And I do believe Damian Lowe possesses the ability to play football at a championship level, or who knows, even at a Premier League level, right? So I back Lowe to continue to be our starter. He always contributes when he plays for the national team, but it should be interesting, the battle between Lowe and Mason Holgate for that right centre-back position, because I think Ethan Pinnock is nailed down on the starting 11 more so than anybody else except maybe Andre Blake. That's my opinion. I think Ethan Pinnock is number 2 indispensable on this team. You know, especially with the influx of forwards, I'd put Leon Bailey at number 3. So I'd put Andre Blake at number 1, Ethan Pinnock at number 2, and Leon Bailey at number 3. No, not in terms of who I think is the best or the worst, but in terms of just players that are indispensable. I think that's the order of 3. I think with our arsenal of forwards, though Leon Bailey is the best, I think we can find good forwards. There's no defender or goalkeeper comparable to either Pinnock or Andre Blake. So that are the 4, but I'm interested to see how Mason Holgate contributes when he plays for the country. Deshaun Bernard now have to start look over his shoulder, because that's some competition for the Shane Bernard spot, you know. Holgate also have the ability to push up further into the field. So I'm curious to see how that's utilized. And he also said that I think...
Remember correct real quick. No, I have a
What
correct real quick.
What?
Before we even get to the Shane Bernard,
Yeah.
Richard King spot there first.
No, Richard. No, me talk about who back up the centre backs them. I know Richard King back up the centre back them. And them this Shane Bernard. Yeah, but this Shane Bernard is the third centre back. Not Richard King.
And who is the fourth?
Richard King. So Richard King game gone now. Mason Holgate I compete with this Shane Bernard for the third.
Well, I'm Richard King can count properly. Well, let me see if I can count properly.
Yeah.
See Richard King name in the squad.
Yeah, obviously, Richard King name did it.
Exactly. So he must forget this place first and then we go to this Shane Bernard. Which you think that I can do before?
Richard King already displaced. Richard King I take up somebody else's game. Mason Holgate ahead of Richard King in the rotation.
I think I mean if one of them supposed to be left out. This Shane Bernard have to look on this spot. But me even think of that, bro. You know the person.
No, me not talk about this Shane Bernard spot in the squad. Me talk about this Shane spot in the rotation. Mm-hmm. In the rotation, this Shane Bernard is the first choice central defender off of the bench. Mm-hmm. Mason Holgate will come push the Shane for that. Matter of fact, Mason Holgate want to start in the team. You get me? I say? What that?
You know what I need for check? Where is Michael Hector?
Oh yeah, I'm talking about Michael Hector as well. So Michael Hector never get included in the squad. So apparently, Michael Hector, tell Michael Hector say, yo, I'm give him a bus in the last window and make a come back and get a foot them wet and run up and down and knock your leather. But if you not play consistent first team football, you cannot come back into my team. And apparently Michael Hector is working on a situation to get consistent first team football, and as such he was omitted. Yeah, man, McLaren said look at him straight and say, we give you a window, you know. Me I see how you look. But then come back unless you knock your lead up on a real consistent level.
But this is
Michael Hector and Richard King have to go fight for that spot there. The last.
No, but this is what I understand. This is what I understand, right?
Yeah.
And for bear with me. People bear with me. Yeah, anybody who watches, bear with me, please. But there's a disconnection, right? We don't talk about Michael Hector not playing enough first team football at a high level.
Yeah.
And you're not selecting based on that. But you select Richard King, who is not playing at a high level, regardless of the amount of football they might play. that kind of something that connect in my head. You get me? I say, like, how would you opt to go with Richard King over Michael Hector, and the excuse is not playing consistent football?
No, but
one is playing inconsistent football at a decent level, and one is playing consistent football at a
no, bro, I think Richard King and Michael Hector sort out a team now, bro. Michael Hector sort out. So Michael Hector contract done last season. So all through the summer and in the fall, Michael Hector have a team yet. Yeah, same I work on that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So McLaren say, yo, I like you. I call you in a window ya. But if you don't start it yourself by October, you can't forward back.
Him give him one eye. What's name? Ravel Morrison.
Yeah, like you must say, if you don't get your shit together by October, then you cannot come back. And him say him still apparently Michael Hector still a work on something right now. So him say once Michael Hector get him believe in a Michael Hector, him say once Michael Hector in a team and Michael Hector play football, Michael Hector is here. So him still communicate with Michael Hector and this. But Michael Hector I go be the one for bump Richard King.
Right.
And your mind sharp that now gonna be the case. Because it look like Richard King I just always have him spot cozy right this up.
Weird to me, but hey. Richard King a big baller still. We didn't not try to put no smut on the down. But hey, we're gonna talk about Mason Greenwood. He don't have himself as an inclusion in the squad. So
Mr. Holgate.
Midfielders. Now we are talking about Casey Palmer, Karai Anderson, Bobby Reed, Joel Latibodier, and Tyreek McGee.
Oh yeah, bro. Before we move on from the defenders, bro, him saying did I look for right back cover, and Meron's first suggestion was Tavon Gray. So that's Meron's first suggestion, and that's why we see Tavon Gray back in the squad. So that Meron have a suggestion in every area of the field, you know. except goalkeeper. I know a shock when I go to the Maran suggestion too, but he never said that. So I'm not good. But Maran have out of the 4 positions on the field, Maran have 3 suggestions in Maran have suggestions in 3 of the 4. And Tavon Gray was a Maran suggestion. So Tavon Gray, him say more right back cover. Cause remember the last time, we really light pan right back situation. And that was a point of discussion for us. So him say him supplement him right back situation, him there look for cover, and the first suggestion by Maran was Tavon Gray. Whatever that's worth. I'm not a fan of Tavon Gray because me feel like Tavon Gray cost me a Nations League. Sorry, Tavon Gray, but that's just my opinion on the matter. I believe that the madness people want to blame Corberg. I am not blaming Corberg. May I watch Arsenal. I see Gabriel Magalhaes kick a ball, just a kick a ball like a big wild man, and him are one of the best ball handling central defenders in the world. And me see him a play football, and him kick Declan Rice a kick a ball. Bakayo Saka a kick a ball. When you're tied with City. So you are going to tell me, so you are lead against USA and you are trying to dribble ball to the half line? No say so, man. Me not like that. Me not gonna ever forget it. I will never forget it. As long as me live. Me tell you, me I watch Arsenal. And me I see Gabriel and me I see Saka. Them man there, no Arsenal player, and them man there, when I say them a kick it rush, them a kick it, just kick it to the corner flag. If them a do that, you Tavon Gray gonna try to dribble it out.
You have to forgive him and move on. You have to learn to move on, bro.
Which football that? Which football? I never see that in a football yet.
Yeah.
So when me hear Tavon Gray come back in a squad, it's a little bad word that me chip under my bread. And then him gonna say, yo, I want a Maran suggestion. Him look. Yeah.
You see why you have to sit man in the airport and look at the other way, dog? This is why. This is why you have to sit man and look at the other way, dog.
Bro, I will never. I still have nightmare about that moment. I cannot believe. To this day, how much months pass? A year now? No, a year yet. 6 months pass. 7 months pass. However long. Rush, it haunts me. It haunts me to this day. I cannot understand it. Every time I watch football, I see big baller like Gabriel and them man there, and Declan Rice, I put foot through ball, and I just kick it to the corner flag. Every time I see it, remember that match there. Every time. So every single time, I watch a football match, and a team a lead and a defender 1-0, or a defender 2-2 draw, I always remember that game there. But I never ever forget it. Every time I see a big baller, if my sister Saliba make a clearance, like I said, Tavon Gray can walk in a Saliba shoes. And if Saliba can kick it to where you dribble it for? Anyways, we're not talking about that. That gone, we get the bronze medal.
No, man, you're
we win the medal. But when you tell me that was one of Maran God's suggestion, me I say, that was my first. You see me, bro?
No, I'm having a over party Javin, bro.
I don't know who for girl Javin, bro. I not even like such Javin, bro. I look for nobody girl, because Javin, bro, have him woman now, and he might get him youth, if not already have him youth. So we know saying nobody girl Javin, bro, touch. So I don't understand why them are treat Javin. I'm not the biggest Javin, bro, fan.
To be fair, that doesn't mean that, you know.
Wait, bro, what kind of dry stitching? What we are doing right now, bro?
No, me not dry stitch. I'm just
saying. No, it sounds like you're dry stitch right now.
Don't mislead the people to believe that what you said is true and applies across the board. You hear me? I tell you, but continue.
First of all, as Mr. Javier Brown,
I wish to end
see him and him lady, and me know say him that we are Jamaican men, and we are the most faithful men that Earth has to offer.
Faithfulness.
And me I stand on business with that, bro. I'm not gonna make you come and put no dirt on my fellow countrymen's name. Carry that go on other country. But as far as I know, Javier Brown is a Jamaican man. And as such, me know say them man that true to him woman. Which is why me I make the point to me I try to make. Me know I know nobody girl in trouble. So why him can't get back into the squad? And don't get me wrong. It's not like I am this massive Javier Brown fan. But Tavon Gray get him chance in the national team and play a couple games for Jamaica. Javier Brown get him chance in the national team, play a couple games for Jamaica. Have I been overly impressed by either? No. Are either of them Alva Spowell? No. Right? Them not there in the league there. But Javier Brown to Tavon Gray, bro, him still up here, bro.
Javier Brown better than Tavon Gray.
Of course.
Javier Brown better than Tavon Gray.
And Javier Brown play better for the national team than Tavon Gray as well.
For real? No, I think people are a bit unfair with Javier Brown. Yes, as you say, he's not the greatest player. He might play at a consistently high level.
Yeah.
Just get a transfer to Real Salt Lake. So he might play at the same level as Tavon Gray. In the competition that he's playing.
But he's been. You say him just get a chance. Him been a play at the same level.
No, I mean, him play at the same level.
Yeah, because him been a play MLS. Him been a play at the MLS. Him been a starter in the MLS.
Been a starter, been contributing at the highest level in US football.
Yeah.
And me I talk about watching the two of them. Every now and then me watch look at MLS and whatever.
Yeah.
And when we see them for the national team, even if we're just supposed to go and what they do for the national team. Javier Brown can defend better than Tavon Gray. Javier Brown can pass better than Tavon Gray. Javier Brown faster than Tavon Gray. Javier Brown is not the best decision maker, but Javier Brown makes decisions better than him. I don't know. But anyways, hey. I'm not Miran Garden, so I'm not qualify for make a suggestion. So Steve McLaren never asked me, so that is that. Anyways, one boy look like him freezing, like he never pay Wi-Fi bill. So I'm never continue. I'm never talk about my midfield. So we have Casey Palmer, Carrera, and this Bobby Reed, Joel Latibodier, and Tyreek McGee. Obviously not much to talk about. I think we can safely say that Damian Lowe will be included into that midfield. One boy gone. Anyways, I think we can safely say Damian Lowe will be included into that midfield. I like what Damian Lowe has to offer whenever he plays in the midfield, and I think this is why Mason Greenwood, is a good addition for me. I think he unlocks that aspect of our game where we can put in another centre back, feel safe about our back line while having one of our best centre backs who is also one of our best midfielders pushing up the field and playing the same way. You get me? I say so. I don't think this Mason Holgate, not Greenwood, sorry, this Mason Holgate inclusion will do anything to affect Damian Lowe's game. I think Damian Lowe will always be on the field. He's our vice captain. Vice captain is one of the best players for the national team, and he will continue to do that. You see me? So I will safely say Damian Lowe will be included into our midfield. One boy come back, he look like him pay him Wi-Fi bill a while ago. Let's go. Yeah. Hurry up and pay the bill, my boss.
Yeah, we just got called Flo real quick and apologize. And say, yo, please give me a bus, can I try to make some good content for the people. Bro, probably how heated me there get, bro.
Yeah.
Because his mother said Javier Brown probably don't hang with the ball as good as Tavon Gray, but Javier Brown would have kicked the ball. I'm not ask Christ. Would have bet my life so Javier Brown and kick the ball to the corner. So
anyways,
that was one of Miran's first suggestion. Just keep note of that.
Yeah. But that is what it is. I don't like any one of them years better than the other, but me just say Javier Brown deserve to get another chance. But hey, the midfield, I call out the midfield a while ago, and I say I feel safe including Damian Lowe into the midfield. And I think
for that window, yeah?
For any window, brother, and anytime Steve McLaren want to play in my midfield, Damian Lowe is one of our best midfielders.
Absolutely.
Anybody and defend my part.
True.
So I think Mason Holgate coming in actually probably unlocks us and make us feel safer putting Damian Lowe in the midfield.
Or who knows, Mason Holgate might be the one that didn't put that in the midfield.
Or Mason Holgate might be the one put it being placed in the midfield. Mason Holgate played at the highest level already. Mason Holgate is very versatile. Me I talk about centre back, right back. Me I talk about I think him can step up in the midfield. So
he has.
Make us see, exactly. Him playing in the midfield before, but I don't like none of them man get no run like that for be a Premier League midfielder or whatever. So it's just about the quality we have and if you can adjust to the position. And I think Damian Lowe or Mason Holgate give us the opportunity to at least try out that and be safe with the in the box here. You get me? I say, other than that, the midfield, bro, Casey Palmer, I think we'll see the best of Casey Palmer for the last window.
Recently, let's hope it can improve and grow.
I hope it continue, I hope it improve. Brother, this man have everything to be a wicked baller. In terms of weaknesses, brother, obviously, I'm not get to see him shot yet, because I'm not getting in much position to take shots. But
inconsistency, him got in and out of the game.
Inconsistent.
The time with weakness, but him cover a lot of ground. Him can tackle relatively well. He move the ball good, very skilled, good passer. So yeah, he does have the tools.
Yeah. So I look forward to seeing that. Obviously, Kaya Anderson, 19, 20 years old, coming up. Obviously, he's going to be in and around the team, so I'm gonna get him opportunity. I hope him take it. We know Bobby Reed for Joel Latibo there is included as a midfielder, not a defender, which we see him step up in the midfield. So even in our last window, we see him play a little bit higher. So I don't mind it. Tariq McGee is the inclusion. And probably we can stay upon that one a little bit. I did see this part of the press conference where the coach say, "Oh, he might look for attacking midfielder," and again, it was one of Miran's suggestions.
Yeah.
Me I say so. Tariq McGee, Tariq McGee is a player I like, you know. I think Tariq McGee have a lot of, I can't say potential no more. Tariq McGee have a lot of talent. Tariq McGee is a quality player. And I think that if we get to unlock that talent, it may open the opportunity for us to create a lot more chances. No, Tariq McGee, I watch an interview with him today. Tariq McGee understand him weakness. Him knows your people been a complaint to him. Run some more, tackle some more, run off the ball. He still must have 11 man on the pitch. And him say him a work towards that. He's playing in the USL right now. And I like him and light it up. Tariq McGee, he play a couple games, he have a couple goals, he have a assist. So he play some decent football at the USL, but is one are the better attacking midfielders in the USL. So make us see what we can get from him. And I like me expect him for starter, but whenever I'm getting opportunity, I think Tariq McGee, especially against
Nicaragua.
Should be able to impose himself on the game if him catch up to the team. Because our team right now, especially from the last window, if we look for Bill on that, brother, I think it is easy for players that didn't compete to come in and catch up to it, because we did play some good football.
And the thing about Tariq McGee, him got compete with essentially what we did have Bobby Reed at the end of the last window. So that's big shoes to fill, especially considering that Bobby Reed offers a lot of energy. You know, Tariq McGee have a lot of vision, Tariq McGee have a lot of touch. So I hope Tariq McGee can put theme touch on the game. Yeah, I say can put theme fingerprint on the game and create some stuff, probably score a goal here and there. I was him playing at a higher level, but as I say, an extremely talented player, a player that has the ability to be magical when in spurts. And in football, all you need is a few magical moments. You get me? I say, so if you can come and consistently create magic for you, provide magic for you, this is the perfect time, and he plays the perfect position to have that kind of impact in this national team. If I'm going to be completely honest with you, this is an area where we are lacking. We have runners, we have strength, we have good defenders, we have size. We have a very good goalkeeper, we have no creativity. Casey Palmer and Bobby Reed are two most creative players, and I don't necessarily believe that creativity is their strong point. As compared to Tariq McGee, he's a player who can carry it, who can pass it, who can open things up and make things happen, and has the ability to score an odd goal here or there. Especially on the eve of the news, not on the eve, but especially coming off of the news of Omari Hutchinson, I think this is the perfect time for Tariq McGee to.
Yes. I cut this, but I hear Kisana. I hear Kisana loud.
Kisana, may I hear you loud?
You can tell her whole conversation about the shower head.
See, you must say I talk about shower head and them something there. Me can't even hear it because me having the AirPods in my ears.
Yeah, talk. So you know.
Yeah.
But anyway, continue.
Yeah. So may I say this more than ever is his time for grab this opportunity, because this is the deficiency of our national team. We lack creativity and we lack the ability to open things up, and that would just be our next element, you know, something more dynamic to add to what we have to offer. Mm-hmm. So grab it with all my arms, brother.
Yeah, and that's all I'm for the bro. Tariq McGee. But a year while ago we talked about the Miran Garden and the suggestions. Hey, Miran Garden, I think this was a decent suggestion. Again, he's not a player where we expect to come in and play 90 minutes. It's just one of them players there. Coach, take a look at it. Talented player, dominate the local scene. Never quite work overseas, but we think him have some talent and we're lacking in the attacking midfield position. Make us see if we can get some more time. Tariq McGee, if you don't take a chances, I don't think he will be called again.
No.
Tariq McGee will get called in a couple of years. You get me, I say? So, do what you need to do and take the opportunity with open arms. Anyways, the rest of the midfield, pretty standard. Yeah, we know where I get for our midfield. Personally, I think of the weakest part of our team, but hopefully we can continue to improve because we've been improving. The forwards, you talk about Ronaldo Cephas, Norman Campbell, Mikel Antonio, Demarai Gray, Kaim Dixon, and Romario Williams. Good to see Cephas back in the squad.
Yeah.
Good to see Cephas back in the squad. That is one that I'm excited about. But honestly, believe that Cephas have some untapped quality. Where me refuse is the potential about them man now. Because I feel like at a certain age, if you're not that, you're just not that. If you're not that guy, you're just not that guy. I'm tired of say 25 and 26-year-old and 24-year-old man. Oh, I can continue to develop into no. And if you're doing better than you, you are what you are. They get me and say so. See if I have some pace, see if I have the ability to find space on the field. They get me and say, and I'm thinking so when we play, especially against lesser opposition, even against quality, see if us can create a chance or two for it. And I like that. I going forward, bro, I want to see if us not every single team. I'm not care, Liam Bailey, Demarai Gray, yeah, good. See if us will be one of the first changes off of the bench.
Bro, keep in mind, and let's not forget about Dejan Richards.
Yeah.
So, like, Whisper still in the wings. You get me? I say Whisper is a speed demon who is more to...
Me not think I see for spot Whisper will come fight for, brother.
Which part do you think Whisper come fight for?
We have Norman Campbell and Romario Williams on the team.
Yeah.
We have Kaim Dixon on the team too.
Yeah.
So I want to there spot there, bro. But Whisper.
It would have been Norman Campbell. It would have been Norman Campbell.
Of course, it would have been Norman Campbell.
Yeah.
I'll get to Norman Campbell. But anyways, yeah, really like Ronaldo Cephas. I think Ronaldo Cephas is a quality player, and I expect to see him play. I expect to see him. Well, I mean, it's hard for me to say them money I gotta do better because, bro, if you're just not a clinical footballer at this point, you're probably just not a clinical footballer. They get me and say, but that get chances, that create chances, and a big baller, brother. So, I love what I see for Ronaldo Cephas. Norman Campbell tries hard.
Who was one of Meron's suggestion in the last window? Yeah. So in the last window,
I could count some Meron's suggestion. Even on the team.
Yeah.
Norman Campbell, Kaim Dixon. Kaim Dixon was a Meron's suggestion for
really?
Yeah.
Tariq McGee. Tavon Gray. And Romario Williams. Yeah.
That's a 5 in our team with the assistant.
Yeah.
Nah, 5 here. You make some good picks. Also make some questionable picks. But you make some good picks. I'm not fighting, but hey, it is what it is. Norman Campbell tries very hard. He's one of them players that will probably try too hard. You know them man that hard?
Yeah.
You know them man that will try too hard. The clear say the man have talent. The clear say the man have baller. And another one of them players that will dominate the local team, dominate schoolboy football for JC. You know, good baller, but it's almost like, bro, whenever I have the ball, him just try too hard. It's almost like him try to run faster than him actually can run.
Yeah, and him try to plat fast and him can plat. And I don't know, you probably think say you are this thing in your head and you aren't that thing. And that's what it look like on the field. It don't.
I promise you, I'm natural.
Him need to play to him ability. You know?
Keep it simple, bro.
Yeah.
Keep it simple. Yeah. And in our last game, he did do well. I think he created a goal for us. So, Norman Campbell.
He created a goal for us, but I don't think he was doing well in that game. In fact, I was so hard on him to the point him create the goal. And I said, all right, cool. And we didn't need the goal too, you know. But I was like, why is this man on the pitch?
Dog, you see
what him do on the field? And then him create the opportunity and I said, all right, cool. Me take it. Me need it. But still, he was not having a very good game any at all. He couldn't make a pass, he couldn't make a dribble, he couldn't get anything done. And he create the goal. And it's a good run too. Like that move that we make was like a beautiful move. For create a goal there. I mean, I say, really. I remember I text a group and Amy and I say, dogs, here. I say, I guess. Guys, like, my daddy, I kill him and the man just make it happen, you know?
Yeah, Norman Campbell, as I said, bro, just keep it simple. But one thing I can't fight him fights is effort and attitude. But you have some players where
him have a very good attitude. I like him attitude. Love him attitude on the football field for sure.
On the opposite side, I better this than having the opposite attitude. You have some man where have the quality, bro, and just refuse to take on a man or refuse to try and always playing the safe pass, always playing the sideways pass, always playing the backward pass. No man Campbell is not going to do that. He's going to take you on a million times and lose the ball a million times. You get me? I say so. Now fight him attitude, now fight him effort, but slow it down a little bit, play it a little bit simpler.
Yeah. And make the passes. If you get the one man to beat it at the corner flag, you beat him. But nobody come back and try to take it up and try. You're not Leon Bailey, sorry. Yeah. You get me? I said, just do what you can do.
Yeah. Mikel Antonio. We know what Mikel Antonio for. Just one of them rough, rugged striker there. Sometimes I watch Mikel Antonio, I say, yo, this man is not good enough. And then the next time I watch this man, I say, yo, that kind of
class baller. That's a class. Sheer class. That's one of the baddest things since sliced bread. When you want to make a good touch and you want to make a turn and kick a shot and you say, bomba, or make a bad pass or 1-2. That's a D. And then next time, just stumble through, like give Black Air Force energy and you say, yo, Premier League baller in a dog. And next time you say, no, we know why this man playing at the Premier League. Perspective is a hell of a key. Yeah, dog. For sure. For sure, bro. Without a doubt.
Rough.
Yeah. Rough. But you can be rough. You can be rough. For example, use a basketball analogy. LeBron James don't give Black Air Force energy. But LeBron James is a beast. He just bullet through people. But because him have the flair and like some technical ability, you get me? I say. But when the ball a bubble pan him foot and him just a bulldoze through people, that's Black Air Force, dog. But like when him a play against El Salvador, and him chop him man and cut it back on the foot and kick it in the goal, you say bombard star. Or when him get the USA from 36 and turn and just crack it. That's not a Black Air Force, that is a technical dude, you get me? I say. Yeah, so sometimes I say, how you playing in the Premier League? And sometimes I say, no, we know why you're playing in the Premier League. You can get that from Mikel Antonio 5 times each in a one half of a football game.
Yeah, man.
Crazy. And you see it in the Premier League too.
Mikel Antonio crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Me I tell you, people when I watch him like that, or if you watch him for one game, like if you can watch him for one game for the Reggae Boys, you will wonder why this man up on the field.
Depends on the game.
Like if you no, that me I tell you, if you can catch him one game, him now.
Yeah.
You gotta say. That man, I don't care when I tell me say that man with it on my TV, him have a twin when he pass field and I come through the airport.
It's so crazy, bro. It's so crazy how it will go from position to position. Cause you see the man make a control with him back to the defender one time and that dead and him play it off him forward and him get the 1-2 and him get in a small space. And I said that you are wicked, and then the very next time, he might dribble it and just run through the man and the ball and bounce off of the man and bounce back on him foot. And I said, dog, but just see him make this fluid, like this clean play with you on the top link, or you on the central, or you on your winger, where you get it 1-2 to him and fit in a tight space, and you hold it up and you play it off and you turn and you run over. You like when him win the penalty. For him just run up on the ball, like clean and just move it to the side and go down and you say, yo, you're a baller. And then the very next time you like him, I try to run straight through the man, pass. Them kind of something there, bro, no matter which, you can see him. Like, and that's so weird. Because with Leon Bailey, I mean, sometimes when Leon Bailey go kick the ball off of the goal still, I see some goal of them man they miss when I wonder if them man they can play football. But generally, even when he make a bad touch or a bad pass, you're not under the impression that Leon Bailey is not at the level. Even the mistakes look like it's a cut above the level. But when Antonio bad, bro, god damn.
Bad.
But when him good, him look. But when him good, him look real good.
No, when him good, him look real good. Me I talk about Bygrave for them bro, then man. Me talk about.
That's crazy. And you can't even say Bygrave for Dumbo Holding, because when Bygrave play for Dumbo Holding, Bygrave look like Zlatan Ibrahimovic. So that's not even a great example.
I talk about one of them just rough house man. While Mikel Antonio remind me of Toffee and this nag. Big man thing.
That's an example. Sometimes remind me of Jeremy and Anderson. When the super technically gifted or whatever, he would just get. But then other times, Michael Antonio get it and turn and dog. You remember? Nothing go up on a tangent. Remember when them there compare Antonio to the roof one time? Big up military Guna still, but Guna, what the hell?
Yeah. Nothing finest, man.
Came on roof. That's crazy. The couple of times when he came on roof play for the national team, brother. You know, like I always say, sometimes Michael Antonio look like Bomba now, I know I'm in the Premier League. I don't see one thing from roof. Even the goal where him score, I like a big buck-up score where him score. Anyways, on to the next. Michael Antonio.
Demar Gray.
Yeah. Bro, Demar Gray, dog. He's been figured out in CONCACAF. Dare I say that? People now go on hear me say that. Demar Gray has started to become figured out in CONCACAF. Bro, Demar Gray is one of the most one-footed players I have ever seen play football at a professional level. It is crazy to me. And don't get me wrong, I rate Demar Gray. I'm happy that he's playing for Jamaica. I'm happy that he's Jamaican. I feel lucky. Same I play for my team.
Regardless.
But this man left foot just dead if you help him walk.
Yeah.
It has no other purpose. And it is so egregious, brother. And at this point, the people them are forced to migrate to the line. And because he's so good, him still get him add cut in, you know. Him still get him cut in. Because of how good he is. Going right. But them are funnel him to the corner flag now, bro. Mm-hmm. And the good teams are doing that to him. And as such, him now get to be as deadly as we just say when him just come on and them are playing more square. Because if him
him not getting a space, and the thing is, when we realize them are is when we are play good, him play good, when we are play bad, him play bad. Him not gonna be the one for necessarily make you play good. He will be on the end of stuff when we are play bad.
No, bro, the first couple of games, them bro, whenever they play hot and them are great come in and right now, but that's how I get figure out, bro. Them are prevent the cut. Them are prevent the cut in, and him cannot square the ball with him left foot, and him cannot kick the ball with him left foot. So when him try square it, him a give you the ball. When him a try go to the corner flag, him a try cut in, him a take the ball from him. When him just start play for him, never dare lose the ball this much, bro.
But when him just start play for we, going forward, we're doing well. You get me? I say, and when a man can know say him can't double it up.
Yeah.
Because if he centre back come over, that means he are left a deadly Shamanica star, Michael Antonio will kick the ball and goal. And when a man knows them have to keep a eye on Liam Bailey on the next side of the field. And when a man knows say, yo, if you don't play this man straight up, you know, he might get him behind. When that was the case, because we were good going forward, that we'd have a lot of goal threat. Them did have to play him better, bro. Them have to play him better, but them couldn't double him up like how them are gonna do now. Next game them are gonna double him up, bro, because them know say yo, we take our chances 1-on-1 with Michael Antonio, and whoever they on the next week, we take our chances 1-on-1. Whoever in this midfielder, we take our chance 1-on-1.
So when you say somebody, so when Liam Bailey is back in the team, so we'll see them are great.
Oh, 100%.
Start scoring goals again.
I think so, and it's not just about Liam Bailey. It's about when the midfield improve, when we striker improve, and them have to play them a bit more honest, then we will see them start to play some more good football. But when it is on him alone and the ball go out to the side and the man just like a double and triple team him, bro. One, him can't cut in because them a triple team him. And then two, him have to go to the line, which him now have a left foot, which him have to lose the ball. You get me? I say, so it's a lot of way you are saying, but also when the team are play bad, them are gonna double him up, and we see it with Liam Bailey too, bro. Don't get me wrong, when the team are play, when Jamaica play bad, them double Liam Bailey too.
Yeah, but Liam Bailey still have the ability for go straight on the byline and create opportunity with him right foot. Them are great, just don't have that option any at all. And this is why we need to stop comparing Liam Bailey to them are great people. Let's stop doing it. When we just start, we get mesmerized by the whole heap of goal him score and how him go right every single time. I realize, I'm not saying Liam Bailey are the most ambidextrous player or bipedal player in the whole entire world. No. But the quality, the disparity of quality, I'm not say a night and day, bro, but it's pretty clear, in my opinion. The level of ball of them. It's clear to me. And we need to stop it. You get me? I say Liam Bailey is a better footballer. Liam Bailey is a more versatile footballer. Liam Bailey is a more talented footballer. Liam Bailey is a more creative footballer. I want to say clinical, but I can't say clinical. Because they might agree, I guess, for the national team, score more goals for us. But Liam Bailey can or does have the ability to be a more clinical footballer. It's not very close. And the way how he's been playing the last couple of games, Sean, to your point about when the team were playing good, bro, we were playing good against Cuba, we were playing good against Honduras. And them are great, never had that impact, bro. It might because, as you say, them are doubling. But I think what they're doing now is them not allow him to go right. So him end up have to come deep and him have to run this long route to get for face the goal. When him got to the line, him try make a square, him try take a shot, him shank that like me when me do out a constant spring I play golf. That's how him look with the left foot. You get me I say? It just dead for decoration. And I think CONCACAF has started to figure out how right footed is, which is scary. Don't get me wrong, I believe that when there are more quality players in the team, of course he will be better. But the last couple of games we were playing well, bro. And it wasn't because of Demar Gray. Which is scary.
And we expect better from him.
Yeah.
I am a fan of Demar Gray. I think he's a very good footballer. And when he play good, he's really good. You get me? I say, but he have the tendency for disappear in the games. I mean, I really like that. He's one of those players that also, who mentioned a while ago, Casey Palmer got in and out of games. Demar Gray also got in and out of games. And Demar Gray stay out of the game for long. You get me? I say, so I don't necessarily love that. No more talk about a few players. And the first one we're going to talk about is Shaman Nichols. What do you think about refusing the call up to gain some fitness and worry about him club career, at least for the immediate future or the near future? And it's not the first time we hear this, by the way. This is not the first time. Remember when him just got Spartak, we get turned down for settling at the club, which we give a pass for. Then now we get the I turn the call up, I need to gain some fit. And it's hard, It's such an unfair conversation to have because, bro, at the highest level, brother, it's because Spartak Moscow is a really big club in the grand scheme of things. One of the best clubs in the world. When you think about how much clubs in the world, you get me, I say, and go for international duty, you risk losing your spot in a team like that. And Shamar Nichols look like him get some farm, him score, I think 2 goals the other day. Now him not start every game, but when him get him chance, him try to take it. So it's kind of hard, but at the same time, bro, we are trying to do something else. We are trying to build something. You get me, I say, and turning down call-ups where people are pray and hope and work them ass off forget is kind of a weird thing to me. When I understand how hard someone are trying to get a call-up, brother.
And me I listen to McLaren, and McLaren, him sound like him did really want Shaman Nichols to the team.
Of course.
Me I listen to him I say, yo, me want Bowser in my team, but Bowser say him not feel like him can contribute to the national team as how him want to contribute to the national team. But my thing is, that's good and all in a Shamar, but your alternative are Kaim Dixon. You at 50% still better than Kaim Dixon. So come give what you can give it. Don't make we have to use Kaim Dixon. Don't make we have to use Mario Williams. Yeah. I saw me, I look on it. Mm-hmm. But then everybody are me still.
Yeah, and the dog I say him not get a full preseason for get up to the speed. Whatever I would know Shemanika is not at his best right now. Would know that. You get me? I say especially we see him in the last 2 games. Shemanika is not at his best. But when Shemanika is at his best, Shemanika would like a start for Jamaica. Especially with Mikel Antonio come to the twilight. No. As I say, bro, 50% of Shemanika is still gonna be better than the USL money, brother.
Yeah.
Gonna be better than a upcoming Kaim Dixon. We do have a whisper where we can say show up the same way. We do have a Liam Bailey where on the wing are going to be dangerous for we. We need everything we can get out of our attackers. Now, yes, the Nicaragua game might not be the game where we're going to need it, but that Honduras game we might need Shemanika for the end of something. And again, I think the team will have good enough to win these 2 games. But at the same time, turning down a call-up is just never a good look for me.
No, I hate it.
Never a good look. I don't like how people are turning down call-ups. Don't get me wrong. I understand a lot of the times, but that not change the facts and I like it. I understand why you do it. And
yeah.
Do I blame you for decision you make or me I pre you for turn on the call up? Probably not. But at the same time, I don't like the fact that you turn on the call up anytime other than family or health or them reason the way everybody understand, bro. But if it's a case of more stay back and train and gain some fitness,
I don't like that. I don't like
me
that.
no know how I feel about it. Not in terms of towards the player, but I don't like the turn down of Carlo because of that reason.
No,
Because
hate
still
it.
one of our servants, still somebody where I think I go represent Jamaica a lot more times, but never take the call up for granted, brother. Never take the call up for granted. Not that he is taking the call up for granted, but it can be viewed as taking it for granted. It must come. You never know what can happen in the future. Don't take the call up for granted.
Yeah.
Another player we want to talk about, Liam Bailey.
Yeah.
Liam Bailey's
Interesting.
injury prone. Liam
But
Bailey's
yes,
injury prone at this point.
fine. We're injury prone, but Leon Bailey played on the weekend, bro.
Yeah, but him still a struggle. So I understand it. Him still a struggle. He play up on the weekend, but he's not that. He's also coming back from an injury. So it's like sitting out the window for gain full fitness. Because we know the Premier League team, brother. You can't be 80%.
Yeah, bro. So then don't go out there at 80%. Right? I don't know.
Man, they have millions of man they are putting in your pocket same way still. So you have to watch how you say that. You have to watch how you say that, bro. But I understand Liam Bailey, bro. Liam Bailey try to come back in the week. Have to come off. Play at the weekend. Still I gain some fitness. You get me? I say so. I understand him saying, yo, I'm not fully fit in on my side. So here I want to come, but I'm not fully fit. Coming back from an injury is different from saying.
And then, as I say, is 20 hours of flying and all of that. You still have to fly come Jamaica and fly to Nicaragua. Yeah, so fine. Nah, kidding.
I understand the Liam Bailey one. It's just a matter of, my God, Liam Bailey.
Yeah.
Like, every 3 months you have to pick up an injury, brother.
Good God.
If it even reach 3 months.
Jesus.
Like, what is going on with Liam Bailey? Bro, Liam Bailey, I get too many injuries, bro. And is either something wrong with the diet or the training regime or something is off. Something is wrong. And I need to look on it, bro. I like if I know the hamstring or the knee or the ankle or the toe or the... Like, come on. Something, and a lot of them, and I like, well, we don't know what going on training still, but a lot of them, and I see Liam Bailey take numbers of impact injuries.
Yeah.
And I like...
No, and the impact injuries.
Yeah,
a soft tissue.
It's kind of weird. You see me, so right now, I must go with the hamstring. You know, you're not play with the hamstring.
No.
So it's a bit weird, and I don't like the fact that Liam Bailey is becoming, and is not even becoming. He is an injury-prone player at this point. For the last 3-4 years, Liam Bailey's career has been riddled with injuries.
Spooky shit.
Me not like it, brother. Me not like it, and it, even before his Aston Villa move, Liam Bailey was, yes, he may pick up a little knockout or he may go down for a couple of weeks or whatever, but it's not like every season, every couple of months. Liam Bailey.
Yeah, and him did available for call up the moment him start play for Jamaica. I never really missed international windows until very recent.
Exactly, but no, every couple of months, bro, Liam Bailey's down, and it's kind of weird. I mean, I like it, but
scary shit.
The ball I get for recover and can recover and can play for winner next window. You see it.
Mm-hmm. Jamal Lowe was the other one where the coach said him and the club come to agreement, say they want Jamal Lowe work on him fitness again. He never seemed as pressed about Lowe as he was about Shamar Nicholson, but he did mention Lowe. Like he must say, oh yeah, he want to maintain a good relationship with the team. So him say, all right, we're not gonna trouble Lowe. That was essentially what he must say. So he must say, Lowe team never really want him come and McLaren say him nah fight.
I love them team more brother.
Yeah.
Ego man thing, I tell you the truth. Like a man come play some ball, brother. Yeah, I could finish with Mason Holgate now. You see it? But I could talk about Omar Hutchinson before we go. We're going to finish with Mason Holgate. We're going to talk about Omar Hutchinson. I could give him 5 minutes of fame, dog. Yeah, Preem? Let me forget dry out. Dog, I'm not a Preem, dog.
Yeah, idiot. What do you mean not a Preem? Oh, the one of that. Bro, it's a PG-13 show in a dog.
Yeah, shoes chicken a youth.
No, it's a PG-13 show, bro. Don't me not
a Preem, dog. Me I tell you the truth. The man stays a bumps, right? The man come test the waters and play to unofficial friendly for me. Then the man says, and they might try to get him to come, and the man say, watching on my side, me nah come. And then go again and the man say, watching on my side, me nah come. And then go again finally in the summer. And the man say, watch you know.
The man tell we say him want time to focus on Ipswich and get into the Premier League. Him now percolate international football.
Right. And then the man done and the man say, I'm going to take my chances with England. The man lie to we all know, brother.
Rush, you hear me saying Rush?
When him lie to we? When him say committed to Jamaica?
Rush, don't make me have to say something to you out of misplaced anger, bro.
Listen up. Are we?
What you mean when him say I got commit to Jamaica? You play for Jamaica, bro. What you mean?
And then him say, oh, well, him not say, but him actions, yes, they show you say him committed. And then him actions also show you that he's not committed. When last we hear Omar Hutchinson talk about the Jamaica national team?
Sure, you have vibes. Obviously, you're a married man now, so this not apply right now. But back in the head there, you get me, I say? You have a little painting. You're there in high school, same way. You know, the great Arden High School. And you have a little thing where you are par with same way. One of them new one day, because you know, say you just left from a bullpen over KC and touching a Arden. And it come in like, say, you want picnic in a candy store same way. And you just look, and you hear them light up, and you say, wow, what kind of heaven this God put me in? And you have a little one thing same way, you see me? But really and truly, you know, bro, I really mean the one thing I want still, you know, bro, you get me, I say. But see, true, you're par with me, like, say, maybe I'm apprentice or like, say, I'm a second. You know what You know what I'm saying? So she'll say, yo, is it Joe Mar still? He's that guy. But him not gonna look for a little thing like me. Don't get me wrong, you know, it's a little painting same way, you know. You see me? But generally, Joe Mar is a youth who go for some better things same way. You see me, bro? Cause you know how it come down when we just touching on your Arden same way. I bear bad things we are aim after. You get me? I say bear haddies. If the people them not understand my terminology. But she say, all right, Rush have some association with. So here you know, me I go par around Rush. You see me? I now make him get none still, you know. But he might get a one kiss here and there, but he not go really sit underfoot. As my friend Brandon would have say. You get me? I say? So he might get a one kiss or maybe might kiss him 2 times. I might walk with him and hold him hand. But same time I walk with him and hold him hand, every time I see Joe Mar now, yeah man, she go reach out and she go touch my chest same way. And she go cock up her bottom over this. I make me see it. Bro, that him do, bro. No. That's it. Apples and apples.
My story.
Wait no man. So till you wait. And as soon as you say, yo, all right, moms, get some now, no? Like you been a give me 2 kisses already, you know. And you been a text me and say, yo, tomorrow, man. Next time, me have to study. Me have too much work. I cannot come over right now. You see me? And you're there, I know. Joe Mar now finally looking at the direction and say, yo, mama, watch you now. I don't want you to be the main thing, you know, but I want you to be the side thing. And maybe one day, you might can be the main thing. And it's like, she say, yo, I don't want to be the side thing. You know, so I turn on the side thing one time. So till you fall back and say, you know what? F it, me be the side thing. And I look for Rush and say, yo, Rush, you think Lily, you think she be done with us, more from us. You touch your kiss them and feel good with that, you not get nothing more. At Joe Mar the thing there. That's exactly what the man, people put it in the comment section if I'm not that Omar Hutchinson the two. Right, I'm want you crack this, I'm want you put it on a video by itself and ask the people if I'm exactly that Omar Hutchinson do to it.
Let me tell you what Omar Hutchinson do to it. Straight up and down. We can tell you this right now. So, say, the body there at high school and the toe we touch it. I will see the body where I say, yo, one we want her, one we don't want her. See it? The one we don't want her, the one we she want. You get me I say?
Yeah.
The one we don't want her, the
which
one
is my story and me and you. Because I tell you say she below
your story done now. Your story done. The one she don't want, the one we want her, and I like she don't want him, but it's like, how the one she that settle for? The one we don't want her is the one she want. We not look fair way.
Yeah.
You get me I say? No, she go up on 2 dates to the one we want her. Even though she a second for that one. She go up on 2 dates to them. Still not say underfoot, you know.
Yeah.
But she go up on 2 dates. Then she start ghosting dog. And every time the dog reach out, she say, watch on the brother. You know, so I'm not go on a more day to this still. Check my back in a month's time. And the dog check her, but you know, so I'm not go on a date. And the last time the dog check her, she said, watch you know. You know, so me have some interest for her elsewhere. Or me even have no interest for her.
And that she said. I just want to from schoolwork. Say that.
Alright. Say she not interest for her elsewhere. But watch you, brother. Me a focus for my schoolwork right now.
Yeah.
No man not on my mind.
Yeah.
She say, no.
That she said.
On her mind, she a focus for her school. And then, bro, when they come back down to it, she say, watch you know. Me I cut you off in the cause and I really you me want. See, you see the brother when me really want me I go chase that. And you me want. I know she not do nothing wrong, brother. You chase and you're in a race and you lose, bro.
Don't lead me on.
She never lead you on.
What do you mean if she never lead me on?
She never
Of course she never lead me on still because you should lead on.
The man turn and call up till him fool. The man turn and call up till him fool. Turn and call up.
Bro, then why I just know him and say him not playing for the national team? Why never just backside them will say him not play for the national team from them time?
Because him never.
That's leading you on, bro.
No.
So now that, bro, if you are look on the girl and you say, mom's forward over tonight, no? Yes, she has said not tonight. She now look on you and say, me not forwarding over, you know. She has said not tonight. So remember, you know, you didn't even look on the other moms, so she said not tonight, you know. So maybe tomorrow night, you know.
Maybe.
Or maybe the night after tomorrow. But that me I try to show you, bro, that is leading you on. Don't do me that. Me have feelings. Me have feelings and don't take my feelings. What Chronic say? Don't take my love for granted. Don't do that to me, bro. Don't take my feelings for granted.
Bro, the man have him options and him never all time out. The man turn on call up fake over a year, over 2 years. The man turn on call up.
Dog.
The man turn on call up. The man that show.
My thing is, you see, after you give me the 2 kiss them or in a year story go up on the 2 date them, look for me and say, yo brother, for real you're ugly. Me not interested. You know, like look how much people do that, bro. Try Dean do that. Isaac Hayden do that. A whole heap of people do that, bro.
You know, you're one of them nigga there.
What do you mean?
Yeah, one of them nigga there, you know. The girl are seeing you, you're still a double text, you know.
Yeah, bro, where there's a will there. Wait, go, bro. Once you have hope, you have life or something. No, man, sometimes you have to double and triple text, man. How you talk about me, not shame.
Yeah. I'm not saying you have to do it, because trust me, I have. But I'm saying, bro, if the girl are seeing you, I text her, she don't want you, bro.
Yeah, bro, but she's not, but bro, if me text her and say, then, bro, yes, bro, tell me so I don't, so why she go tell me no? Why she go tell me no? Why she go tell me no?
Yeah, no, I know. She tired of you know. Yeah, I go send her unsolicited picture, brother. She tired of you know. Stop text my phone, B. They're gonna chase you white man more. And that's just a dog.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, bro. The man action show was him not committed. And him never after him getting 2 call up. After him getting 2 call up, him not take no more. We play unofficial friendly after.
First of all, him give me bullshit. Because we go Mexico, go play a World Cup qualifiers or a Nations League. Probably a Nations League. And I have to say, oh no, say me the one forward still no. But me have something to deal with it. Because remember, so we call them up to play 2 match versus Trinidad and then go Mexico, you know, my father. And the man come on him knock you leather 2 times now where I say, yeah, man, that you time, which wife, future. And then now if you go Mexico now, you want to know, say, I got things back home that I've got to deal with, you know. Love to play for the national team, but I have stuff at home to do, so I can't play, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, bro?
I would tell you, say, as a
fan. The man could have things for the bro.
No, what I tell you, say, as a fan. After that, we are calling the man say, nah, come. And after that, we are calling the man say, nah, come. What I tell you, say, as a fan, bro?
Bro, but still, committed. Bro, you're messing up, bro. Come. Isaac Hayden look back and say, yo, here, no, I'm not playing for Jamaica. Troy Deeney say, I'm not playing. Ivan Toney, I'm not playing. Them man there say, yo, brother, before we play national team football, I rather sit down and cock up my foot. And if in an Ivan Toney case, gamble upon some match where I'm going to play. In a film case, you get me, I say?
But the dog did weigh him options, brother. The man that weigh him options. And while him weigh him options.
So you would have been alright if the girl weigh her options with you, that wouldn't hurt your feelings.
Me not say it wouldn't hurt my feelings.
So then that means I'm vexed, I'm cross, I'm angry, I'm miserable. What do you mean?
But that just you and your misunderstanding or misreading.
I don't have more from us about misunderstanding and misreading a situation. It does. Oh, go on. Bro, she showed me say maybe me have to work harder to get her, bro.
But you do. Who would say if we never give him three mansions in Jamaica, him not pick that? Bro, me just say the man action show was him not committed, and I'm yet to see an interview where the man say you the want come.
Oh yeah, I remember when they say, bro, him get promote. Why him never put on an English flag around him waist? I tell him one, yo, you're on a man. Yeah. You know I'm an enemy in a dog. You know I'm an enemy in a dog.
You have a point with that one there. You have a point with that one there. That one there, me see that one there. Me see that one there.
Call up the man and try look dog.
Me see that one there. Me not fight him. Me see that one there. But at the same time, bro, actions me I look upon. Over the last couple of days when me see it, me I say, yo, you know, so that dog get everything for sure, say him not really want to play for it, or him indecisive to play for it.
I ask you a question, Rush. You never yet in your high school days, in your glory days. Because I know say you're a man when you girl them from your idea your knee same way. And I like say me we take up a girl thing a little later than everybody else. You get me? I say, but it's fine. In your glory days, bad KC tie, bulla suit same way. You never hit to run back on mom. You never hit to run back on moms that she not sure. No vibes say eventually that you that. Bingo. Not once, not twice.
Right.
So it must be a sign when she again, even though she not really showing all it must be something with the end of the way you say, yo, you know, so me I hold on upon that one little how she tell me hi 2 months ago. And I saw me know so she want me do. Because she bat her eye off of me. No, so she bat her eye off of me, you know. Bro,
yeah, sometimes she never want you, dog.
And I lie, sometimes she never want you, bro. But still.
We never win him over. Are you salty because we never win him over? Do better,
bro.
We're poor.
Bro, you're
by the man 5 hours up at Jackson, dog. Yeah, and if you don't want him that bad, leave. One thing me glad for is that he making decision now.
Yeah.
Now watch you know. It's very
That's
possible.
the only thing I'm glad for, but I'm angry about everything else.
It's very possible for this man never get a call up for England ever, you know. And I don't want to see me now on Jamaican show because that me tell a guy, you know. But I say, bro, the man action show say him not committed and then him words follow suit. No.
First of all, him play, Omar Hutchins the way him play, him should have damn well play for Jamaica. Him and Emil Smith Rowe go sit down in the same boat. I'm not vex with Emil Smith Rowe, you know. Because Emil Smith Rowe never carry upon no wild goose chase. Emil Smith Rowe never come play for Jamaica. But Omar Hutchinson and Emil Smith Rowe will sit on the same boat. Mr. Reese Nelson. Mr. Reese Nelson. Listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth. Do not play a football game for England. You will live to regret it and you will never go to a World Cup. You will never play in our Euros. You will never play in our Nations League. You even so much as I go say next friendly after them captain you. If you even ever get the chance to get captain. Me here say your passport, sort out. Do the right thing, Mr. Reese Nelson. You see, you get kicked out of one big team and then you don't want a little team. Do the right thing, Mr. Nelson. Your teammate can tell you. And him did a teammate before too. When him did the high and mighty. And him never do the right thing. And you and him in the same boat, Mr. Reese Nelson. Do the right thing. You see, if you do the wrong thing, Mr. Nelson, you're going to end up in the same boat with Omar Hutchinson will never play for England. And even if he play for England, he only going to play once or twice. And me can say that with my chest. Because I'm 21 now. He might know Cesc Fabregas in the Premier League. That is not him. You get me, I say? Jude Bellingham a picnic.
Mm-hmm.
Matter of fact, Jude Bellingham younger than him.
Kobe Manu, picnic.
Alright. So Omar Hutchinson, me see you come and me say, alright, you look like a wicked man in the championship. Me go and look and see what we're going. And I'm looking. And I'm seeing. And Omar Hutchinson, you are not that guy.
You might want to come, man.
Mr. Reese Nelson, do the right thing. That's all I can tell you. But yeah, bro, I like get played to be the fool, bro. Not that I've ever been, because I'm not the guy that gets played by women. You get me? I say women show me the vibes and then me and them connect and we interact. Because I am that guy. You get me? I said.
File each man, man. Nobody move I am mighty, man. We've all fallen, bro.
Let the girls send the screenshots.
Everybody but them too. You know them way.
Say 12 messages unread.
Yeah, man. No matter where you can walk or run, you must look at phone. So you never watch that, brother. No more, they will send 5 messages back to back. I'm more like could have sent in one message, but watching that.
You want to get the notification, bro.
I'm glad you understand it. You understand the tactics.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll move on from that. The dog now come and the dog now come.
Clearly.
Anyways, Mason Holgate. Obviously, we'll talk about him a little bit already. But just to finish off my Mason Holgate, why?
That's
centre back,
crazy.
midfield,
wing back.
Talk about him this place already. So centre back, midfield, wing back. Where you say?
Yeah, good player. Somebody that I've heard about for half a decade of his Jamaican lineage, and somebody where we are try if we draw to the program. These are the benefit of McLaren, in my opinion. Just the ability to constantly tap into our diaspora and get our dual nationals. And I think it only going to increase, bro. I think I get more. I think I get better quality. Obviously, Mason Holgate is not necessarily at the peak of his powers, but because we've seen him playing at the highest of levels before, and he's thrived. He's had years being a starting Premier League central defender. So, good quality to add to the team. I don't think he's the type of quality like Ethan Pinnock to walk straight into our back line. But him gonna push Damian low, bro. That's his intention.
Yeah.
Him not come at the intention for backup. Him not come at the intention for become the starting centre back. Shane Bernard is also a championship player. I believe that Shane Bernard is a very good central defender. And Shane Bernard is our first central defender off the bench right now as it stands. I think Mason Holgate will definitely believe that he has a claim to that third off the bench spot, and he will be pushing for the starting spot, bro.
I think we'll see a lot of Mason Holgate. I think he'll be playing a lot of football. I don't care in which position. But he'll be playing a lot of. You don't have to convince them man if you can't go on bench.
No.
Sell them the project, you can't sell them so they might go sit down on bench and make them come. And especially how confident he speaks, he knows him going to play.
Yeah.
I expect it all to play. As I say, I think this might be the chance to exploit Damian Lowe in the midfield a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
And
have a really good and have a really good solid central defender and solid central defensive midfielder. And dog your meds. What it is again, another 6'3", 6'4" type player who can jump and just be a physical presence in the game, bro. This Jamaican team is massive. Like, we have a huge team.
Exactly.
Probably the biggest Jamaican team I can remember. You think about it.
Yeah, so I'm excited for the inclusion.
Absolutely.
I must say, never a fan of just flooding the team with players of the same quality. But if we can move the needle, and I think this is one of them that can move the needle, albeit a little bit, but I think this can move the needle. Excited for it. But yeah, I think we touch everything. After that, good looking show, bro. It's almost like we never lose it, because we are love chat
back like we never left. We'll keep it going still.
People, the 14th of October, make sure on the day of the game come around up the stadium. Like it turned out last time, if you get a good turnout, you're going to
find we in the bleachers, man. What you talk about, man?
Find
we in the bleachers and come give you a chat same way, because so it was in the beginning, so it shall be in the end that the good book say, though.
And a lie.
And that's how we get with strength.
Yeah, find it before, after, and during the game. We will be making match day vlog. We will be making a lot of content, get some player interview, all of that. So make sure we soon make sure that they are match. You see it? Are we that still? Make sure if you like the video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to this or that Sports TV. And the one more thing for us, do
share the video to at least 10 people, but get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
That is it. But for now, this was this or that Sports TV.
Gone.
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 Wait there.